So I'm going to install our #1 best-selling color. That is the beautiful, stunning, subtle, lovely, blonde for us, our blonde ombre locks. And we often get the question, is one pack enough? And it most certainly is. In fact, as I do my install, you will see that I will likely not even use all of these. So this pack contains 120 locks and they're separated out into bundles of 40. So you just kind of remove the bundle. Yay! So I'm going to do the hairline last. So I'm just going to like put these in a braid or a twist so they just don't interfere. So I'm going to come back to you. There we go. And I generally start from the outside and work my way in. So each lock comes pre-looped, has a little hole at the top. Okay, so to install the locks, you're gonna first of all open your latch hook. You're gonna go under your cane row. You're gonna latch on to the hole in the lock and close the loop. Pull it through, latch on again to the lock, pull it through, and voila. When you're doing your install, you want to like leave roughly about 1.5 centimeters between each lock. You don't need to pile them up. You can leave bigger gaps if you want a less full look, but the optimal space I would say would be like 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters gap between. I just want to take a quick moment just to talk about the difference between doing the front of your hair, the middle partings, as opposed to the back. So I did recommend that you do like about 1.5 centimeters gap at the back. Now, when you get to the front, you can bring that down to 1 centimeter, especially down these 2 cane rows, down the middle of your head as well, just to provide more coverage. So they can be slightly closer together at the top and further apart at the back as well. So I've done the bulk of the install. Now all that's left is to do the individuals. So I'll take that side by side. So to do the individuals, you're going to open your latch, push it through the base of the plait. That's why we leave a little bit of slack to make sure we can get under there. We're then going to hook the lock up, close it, pull through, as normal, tighten it. So the lock is now on. We're going to do the pull through method to hide the natural hair. So to do that, again, we open the latch, and if you have a smaller crochet needle, that would be ideal, but you can also do it with this size. And you're going to go down maybe about 2-3 inches, and you're going to feed the needle through the middle of the hair as best as you can. It's not exact science. When you get to the base, you're going to poke through, keeping the latch open. Then you're going to latch on your natural hair, close it, and then you're going to pull your natural hair through. And what you may have is a little bit of your natural hair left at the end. Totally fine. What we're going to now do is go a bit further down and do that bit separately. The reason we do it like that is it's far easier to travel 2 to 3 inches than it would be to go up all 5 inches. Plus the crochet needle itself is only about 2 inches or so. So if you come across a lock and you can see like a tinsy wincy part of your own hair, it's not really worth going in, crocheting and latching on. What you can do is like loosely sort of unwind the lock a little bit, tuck the hair in and then seal, and it's gone.